Hi, this is Ryan with Optrua. One of the things in Dynamics that's really useful are views. So views are just saved queries or saved questions, if you will, on the data. And you can see I have a whole collection of them here. But one of the problems with the default settings is that there are too many things and people trip over them and not sure what to click on. And so an optimization technique is to reduce this down to the number that is used on a daily basis. And we'll cover that in this video, and then we'll cover additional view optimizations in other ones. If you want to understand what a view is or what the question is behind it, it's really easy. You just click on this filter icon up in the toolbar. And this filter icon will show you what the query is. In just a second, it pops up and it says, in this particular case, my open leads is equal to the owner is equal to the current user, and the status equals open. I'll go through this dialog more in detail in a different video. So to change what is available here, all you need to do is you go over to your Power Platform environment. I've created a solution for the leads, and I'm going to go look at my views. And the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure I'm only looking at the public views. So I'm going to filter by public views. And then I want to only look at the ones that are on here. I can turn these on or off. And it's really easy. I can take one of them and just say, okay, I want to turn that one off and turn this one off and so forth. I'm going to go through and turn a bunch of these off, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we're all done. Okay, I've just completed turning off a couple of these views that I didn't want. Once I did that, I came up to the top of this tree here in my solution, published the solution changes that I had made, and then to see it, you can come over here to the lead section that I was working on, and you can see now that I only have a small handful of views that are available. Obviously, you'll want to have the right number of views to help users get from their current leads to open or closed leads, however you work in the system. But that's an easy way to clean up this list. Thanks much. And don't forget, optimize Microsoft Dynamics CRM or customer engagement to spend more time helping customers instead of navigating your system. Your employees will thank you.